Installing the cab. This was a very exciting time. I'm a huge fan of small metal cabs. I like wood cabs too as well, but I think small metal cabs take the reign in my book. I thought AccuCraft did a really good job in designing this little cab, and I'm really excited to attach it on top of the frame. This is the roof slit. It's commonly found on smaller locomotives like this, so the engineer has good access to all the controls. And here's a crowning moment, taking off the window protective plastic. The headlight. This locomotive did not come with an operable headlight, so I decided to design a little unit to go inside of the housing of the light. I used LED bulbs, about 50 looms, and a 9-volt battery. The glass and ring popped right out, which made really easy access getting into the housing. At one point I was thinking about running tubing into the cab and putting the battery in the cab. Then I thought a little bit about it and I was like, well, it's just a little too easy to just pop this off, throw a 9-volt in, and it fits. So I went with that route. The cab as well will have a little light for nighttime runs. I plan on getting a bigger illumination cone in the future, but for now this little headlamp one will work just fine. Thanks for tuning in, and always keep steaming.